Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So taking a look at Link here, and as we can see, that level that we were talking about, this little range that we have been, trading inside of here for Link, looking something like this really. We have finally broken out of it with a daily close on the time frame, the daily time frame here. We've actually closed above that previous, swing high resistance at around $8.20, now up at around $8.70. And looking pretty strong for Link. As we said, we're probably going to be looking at, coming up to that level, that Fibonacci level at the very least, at around $9.30 at the 023, and the top of the range up here at around $9.70. We are well on our way towards those now. You can see we've finally got also a clean break away from that bear market resistance that we can actually see here. Resistance, 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 and we finally got the breakout, back test, back test, back test, and that run up. Looking like potentially we could be doing something like this, a double bottom kind of situation for a Link, sorry, I should say. Obviously, everything, as we were about to say, is heavily correlated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin obviously having a bit of a pump. Yesterday, we did see, a lot of cryptos come up outside, breaking through resistances as well. But overall, Chainlink, like with most cryptos, just doing what it needs to do, really, heading back up to retest resistance yet again. And we do want to see ourselves, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and start, flipping this bearish trend that we have seen basically ever since we were back here. We've got these lower lows, lower highs, all the way down, this massive capitulation rollover. We come down, we've consolidated for a long, long time now down around these lows, and now looking like potentially at the very least we're going to come up, retest these resistances again. We may not break them the first time, but it would be really nice to see Link come up here, break out the range and back test it and continue. But obviously, until we see the range being broken in either direction, we are still range bound, aren't we? So very, very simply, Link looking completely fine right now. As we said with most cryptos, doing what it needs to do, looking pretty bullish today. And currently we're just waiting to see what happens for the rest of the day for Chainlink here. You can see our target, as always, is the top of this range, at the very least this 023, which has almost been tested now at around that $8.70 level. I mean, that $9.30 level. It's around $9.20 really, isn't it? $9.25. This level at the very least needs to be tested. And, the swing high here would be very nice to be tested at the top of the range as well, at around that $9.70 level. So, as we said, doing what it needs to do. Things looking completely fine for Chainlink right now. Looking like potentially, this massive downtrend it's been in, it's broken out, back tested, and you do want to see it coming up now and testing some key resistance levels on the retracements of the Fibonacci, don't you? So, as we said, those would be our price predictions to the upside. Obviously, you want to see it back testing some of these levels here at 820. But if we come back inside this range, we're probably going to head back down towards the bottom of the range again at around $6.60 until we see a clean break of this wider range. We are still range bound, aren't we? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.